In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized scan using the TradingView screener. This tool is incredibly handy for traders looking to efficiently filter and identify stocks that meet specific criteria. By setting up your own screener, you'll be able to pinpoint trading opportunities quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive in and explore how you can create this scan to enhance your trading strategy. First, you'll want to begin by opening the TradingView screener. This feature can be easily accessed from the main menu within TradingView. Once you're in, you'll see a dynamic interface that allows you to explore different market opportunities based on your preferences. Next, we're going to add some filters. At the top of the filter panel, you'll find an Add Filter button. Clicking on this will present you with a wide array of options to choose from. For our scan, the initial focus is on the percentage change filter. Locate the percent change filter or a similar performance-related filter and set its condition to be above value of 4%. This setting will ensure that you're looking at stocks that have demonstrated a strong upward movement. Once our percentage change filter is applied, let's add a few more crucial filters based on StockBee's criteria to really hone in on potentially profitable stocks. Start with a volume filter. The aim here is to spot stocks with increasing trading activity, so you'll set the filter to show stocks where the current day's volume surpasses that of the previous day. Additionally, ensure this volume exceeds a certain threshold, such as 100,000, to further filter for actively traded stocks. Our next filter will focus on stock strength. This involves finding stocks with strong relative strength or large percentage changes in their candle body from low to high. To do this, use a formula filter such as close low, high low, being greater than or equal to 0.7. This will help identify stocks where the closing price is nearer to the high, indicating bullish sentiment. After setting these filters, it's time to apply and refine your criteria. Hit the Apply button, which will narrow down your results to a targeted list of stocks meeting your specific requirements. If you need, you can further refine this by adding columns to the display. This allows you to see the data for your screened stocks at a glance, making it easier to analyze and decide on your next steps. By following these steps, you can effectively use the TradingView screener to sort through the clutter and focus on stocks that meet your trading criteria. Remember, the key is to adjust these filters as needed to align with your trading strategy and market conditions. Happy trading!